What is up, guys? I'm back at it again with another video. Today I'm about to go pick up a car for my boy Aris. Aris, if you're watching this, I'm proud of you, dog. Can't wait to see it, and I'm bringing the team with me, so let's go. Oh no, bro. Look at this.
4 minutes.
Is that a V6? Look at this bum right here, yo. It's good, yeah.
That's all I got.
So you coming?
Yeah.
Why you look back like that?
Yeah, what is it? Well, not just like I asked him, but you know, he's got taken care of. So.
24 years old, still gonna ask for permission.
Yeah, we know. We can see your eyes.
Yeah, what happened to that shirt? It's all wrinkled up.
Yeah.
When you get that out of the dirty laundry?
Yeah, him.
What's that? Like we're like an hour and 30 minutes out. Yo, remember this is secret top mission.
It's a compliment. I used to do that.
Have any idea what the car is, Josh? Yet?
Especially last year. Ain't no Mustang, I know that. So.
Yeah, it ain't trash. Alright, after almost dying, we made it. We're here. Yeah. I gotta use Russian. What'd you get?
2 Whoppers.
2? Sheesh. Yo, you're fat.
So Alvin's been in the bathroom for about an hour now. I don't know what's going on with him, but you know, he went over there. He didn't say anything. You know, I guess the Burger King fucked him up or something. Not really sure what's going on, but
Look at this fool, guy.
That's Big Finn.
Big Finn, aka Cheese Man,
Yo,
aka
Finn.
Sheets Boy. Alright, so we're in the city right now.
I heard even some places like where I used
Yo,
to stay is completely built up.
This looks like it's kind of a mixture between Richmond and Jersey, bro. So we're at the spot right now. Aris, Josh, Kev, waiting for the car. How old is he?
I just did something over
Okay. Bro, if it's straight pipe, yeah, that'd be crazy. Kev,
What's up?
what do you think?
I guess we'll see when it gets here. We'll get the scoop on it.
Yeah, we get the scoop. This man right here, this guy said he would actually buy this for a daily. It's a BMW, of course it's nice.
I mean, all BMWs are
Man, maybe I'm not
It's fucking counting.
This is the car, yo.
It's kind of slow.
Yeah, I'm with my Civic just getting out.
Okay, Aris, I see you.
Damn, it does.
Doesn't that
feel
shifter feel nice?
Yeah.
It's short, it's smooth.
Damn, it's smooth as shit.
Yeah, see?
It's officially yours, yo. How you feel?
Fucking wagon.
Sheesh. Dang, bro. Right at home, Aris.
Oh, I swear.
Dang.
Back where I didn't want to be at the first place.
Yeah. Now you're here, bro. I'm so hyped for you, bro. Congrats, yo.
Wagon boy.
Yo, he just broke the fuck out of somebody's neck, yo. 2 people, actually, yo. Yo. Dang, I wish I got that on film. Wow. Yo, this car is so nice. Boy, you dumb. Alright, so Kev's off and we're heading back to VA. We made it back to VA. He's on his second fill-up right now. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching the video. And again, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. I'll leave the links to all their social medias in the description below. Thank you guys so much for rocking with me, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace.